so let's take a look at this problem to the left. And you want to find that total shaded area. So in both these cases, you have overlapping shapes. And so if we label what we have, here we know our diameter is 18. And other than that, we have what our picture shows us. Okay, so looking at this picture, if we were to combine these shaded regions, we have this semicircle, plus we have this right triangle with equal sides, so an isosceles right triangle. And so if we add these two areas together, we can get our solution. The area formula for a semicircle from chapter 4 is 1/2 pi r squared, and the area formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So here's my generic equations. And so if I know that this whole length is 18, what I can do is I can find my radius of the semicircle first. It's half of that. So I can fill this in 1/2 of pi 9 squared. Okay. Or in this case, 81 pi over 2. So there's my semicircle portion. And then the triangle portion, when I'm looking at this isosceles right triangle, I have my hypotenuse of 18. The legs can be found using the shortcut of dividing the hypotenuse by 2, multiplying by root 2. So each leg is going to be 9 root 2. So if I take my formula 1/2 of 9 root 2 times 9 root 2, here root 2 times root 2 is 2, cancels with the 2. 9 times 9 is 81. And so here would be my exact answer. Units are in centimeters, areas are square units. Okay, so there's my exact answer. And if I wanted to find the decimal approximation, I can plug that in. 81 pi over 2 plus 81, put a decimal in my entry so it displays as a decimal, and I get 208.23 to the nearest hundredth here, so 0.235 approximately. Square centimeters, and that would be my approximation.